Okay, Marlene, here's your custom fitted fireplace insert. Just got done with final assembly. Everything seems to be beautifully perfect. There we have it. Nice little spring-loaded latch. Easy swing doors. Got a built-in grate right here. Of course, that just can hang right there anytime you need it out of the way to get to your lift-out ashtray. Back there's two screws right there. That's where the thermostat is. Got adjustable speeds, off, high, low, medium there. Of course, you got your air intake dampers to let the air in through there. When the grate's in place, makes a nice little air wash over the screen. Oh my.